So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to review one of the best lipstick I have ever used, and this is from none other than Chanel. Okay, so this is what I have bought, and this is the packaging. So let's unbox it together. These are the two shades, one Rogue Allure ink, and the shade is 206 metallic copper, and the second one is a Rogue Allure ink 208 metallic red. Let's see how the shade looks like. So this is how the bottle looks of metallic red. You will see here the name of the brand, and then here on top the logo of Chanel. So let's swatch it and see what it looks like on my skin. This is what the color looks like. It is metallic red. It does have shine to it. It will not dry up your lips. It is hydrating. It is long lasting as well. Now let's see the swatch for 206 metallic copper. The packaging is same for both the lipsticks. You will get here the name of the brand, and then here the logo of the brand. And now let's see how it looks like on my skin tone. Wow, lovely. So if you'll see, it's quite the same texture. It is also very hydrating, so shiny. Both the colors are so beautiful, and it will definitely go for any Indian skin tone. If you'll see, my skin tone is whitish in color, and it's perfectly going on my skin tone. They are glossy, they are shiny, and both are party wear as well as work wear. Will stay for 6 to 7 hours, which is good for me because I'm not fond of lipsticks which can stay for 12 hours or 14 hours. I hope you like today's video. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see any other brand swatches, be it lipstick or eyeshadow, and I will buy it, give it a try, and will do my review over here with you. Share your love. Thank you so much for spending time and watching my videos. Thank you, everybody. Share it with your friends, your family, and please do share, like, and subscribe, and give me your love. Thank you. Bye-bye.